Hello investors and welcome back to Just Randy Stocks. During this video I want to talk about PayPal because it's presenting itself with a buying opportunity. It went below what I believe was a key support level and it looks like it's going to come back. We've got an earnings for PayPal coming up on November 8th, and with the latest news of merger and acquisition, they were taking interest with Pinterest. That's actually pretty good. But you might ask yourself, why is the price going down if this is supposedly good news and moves PayPal into the next generation of growth for the company? And the reason is they are pushing $1 trillion in merger and acquisition spend. And do they have the team? Do they have the resources? Do they have the cash? And how does this impact earnings that are coming up? So pullbacks provide buying opportunities, but you have to cost average down. When a price is dropping, you don't want to spend all of your allocated spend at one target price. You want to cost average down. When it starts to get painful, you just buy more if you believe in a company, but be sure to do your own due diligence. So there's 5 reasons why I believe you should put PayPal on your watch list. And reason number 1 is they're on their way to serving 1 billion customers. Now this could take 3 to 5 years, but if you look at their previous historical performance, they've had consistent total active account growth from 2015, 181 million users, to 2020, 377 million, and it just keeps growing. So reason number 2 is their product portfolio. What do they offer and who do they offer it to? So you could see customer and merchant. Customer, payments, financial services, and shopping tools, and merchant, payment processing, merchant services, and marketing tools. So PayPal is actively working on building a comprehensive digital platform to serve a global economy. So reason number 3, world-class risk management and compliance. They've spent a lot of money and time growing this team from a few hundred people to over 4,000. And risk compliance, scaling a platform, software transactions of 1,000 transactions per second, aggressively expanding internationally, a brand that's trusted, security, people. More than 54% of people that were surveyed wouldn't use a website unless they seen the PayPal logo. So reason number 4 is their ability to forward think and look at this paradigm shift, these activities that are taking place to reshape our financial network, crypto investments, the digital wallet, and super apps. So last point, and point number 5, is the total addressable market and what have they done in the past and what do they plan on doing in the future. $110 trillion, and they only have 1% of the spend. So let's take a look at the charts. You can see there is some bearish candlestick action happening here, which drove this price down to 245 is where I drew a support line in. Let's see if that holds, but I believe this would be a good area to start cost averaging down. In the May timeframe is where, there was some aggressive buying candlestick action as this dipped down. Now we are coming up to earnings, which this company typically performs well during earnings. You want to cost average down, but I believe you can just look at the charts and see how far back we haven't had this type of action. I thought this was a buy below 55, and we'll take a look at what the analysts have to say. So if we take a look at tip ranks, you see overall there's a strong buy with 21 analysts rating this as a buy. There's only 3 with a hold, and we've got a low price target of $280. And there's 36.71% upside to get to this low 280 range. We're sitting at 245.35 at the recording of this video. Average price is 335. If you're holding this past this year long term, we've got a potential high of 375. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, give the video a big thumbs up, and I wanted to let you know that down below in the description you can find the Patreon, which gives you notification about these plays before anyone else, and there's a free Discord. You may have never joined a Discord. Come on over and try it out. If you're already part of one, I would ask you to bring your expertise to help us make ours better. And lastly, be sure to leave a comment in the comments below. I really enjoy hearing from each and every one of you. That's all I got. I'll see you in the next video.